Ooh. What's up guys, Ryan McNeil here, Trickstars.com. Today's video is gonna be super cool. We got 1,000 subscribers after 1 year of YouTube, a little under 1 year. What I plan to do is tell you what I've learned from YouTube in 1 year, show you my analytics. Before I do that, I wanna just take you off the stand, show you the studio, show you the animals that helped me get this far on my channel, and then we'll come back here and we'll break it down, okay? I'm taking you now. All right, so here's the studio. Nothing crazy, soundproofed, computers, lights. The camera sits right here and the microphone is boomed up there. Right now it's on top of the camera. My shelf here, a couple of degrees and some decorations. You might want to know what this is back here. It's just a nameplate, a plant. It's not real, it's just under a light. And then back here, I've got lights in this closet. Looking back at it, that's what I see. This is really important. Has a lot of different company related stuff, things that I have to do throughout the day. We come in through the house. This is my home. It is what it is. This is Essay, Sunset, a little bearded dragon. There he is, very cute, very handsome. Down here, I have a little sulcata tortoise. Her heat lamp just went out today. As a matter of fact, we'll probably leave her in here so she can stay toasty until I can get her a new bulb. My little sulcata tortoise, she will get 80 years old and weigh 200 pounds. He'll be riding her one day. Over here, we have my green tree python. His name is Giovanni. I build all of these cages for them to meet their environmental requirements. He lives inside this rainforest cage that I built for him. I build all the enclosures for my animals so that they have what they need to thrive. So you can see him right there. He does bite, he does get aggressive, but I handle him often and he's become much more friendly over the years. He's scary, but I love him to death. He's got a very cool setup, my favorite tank by far. It has a rain machine hooked up here on the side. 3 times a day he gets 60 seconds of rain and that keeps the cage nice and humid. All right, so moving on from that, I have a back porch here with some birds. Check it out. I don't think I've showed the birds yet. This is Phineas and Ferb. So there's one of them, and there's the other. Who knows which one's Phineas and which one's Ferb? I don't know, you guys decide. And where would we be without these lovely dogs? Daisy, hey baby. Yeah, you're the star of the show. You're the star of the show. Winston, you're a star. Yeah, what kind of star are you? You're at Trickstars.com. Oh my goodness, how cool. Cute. Daisy wants to go in the hot tub. This is my backyard. I let the reptiles go out here. I have this enclosure that I built so the turtle and the dragon can go out and spend all day in the sun if they want to. Moving on. Come on. Come on. Winston, come. All right. All right. So, I know it looks crazy. Oh, just like that, we're back in the studio. So glad you could join me. Let's get into the few things that I've learned on YouTube in 1 year. First of all, everybody has to start somewhere near the bottom. When I started my channel, obviously no one watched, no one subscribed. I had a little bit of social media presence and I would push out all of my videos to my Facebook or my Instagram friends and be like, watch this please because I'm just starting. In the beginning, all of your videos are going to be off topic and borderline awful. It's best that you just start knocking them out, get them out of the way. You're gonna be super proud when you do complete one. Looking back on it, you're gonna be like, man, these suck. Most people will agree. As you make more videos, you will notice what starts to work. And so this is gonna help guide your little path onto your YouTube journey. This is about the time you need to start investing some serious time and money into your effort of making videos. So whether it's getting a camera that's up to speed, 1080, 24 frames per second, getting a good microphone so that you can actually hear yourself in the video, all your audience can hear you and other things that you're doing. You also need some lights because you can't just film in the dark. So light, sound, and video, super important, pretty much in that order. You need light, you need a good mic, and you need a good video camera. There's a lot of good options out there. I'll link all of my gear down below, so if you are curious about what I use, you can go down and link the description and find all of it on Amazon, all right? So once you've got an actual rig set up and you're ready to go and you've got ideas rolling, you're gonna be trying to make videos as consistently as possible. So I have averaged at least 1 video per week for 52 weeks, 51 weeks. So 1 year, 52 weeks, 52 videos. That's how I got where I'm at. You'll find there's times when you're a little discouraged about making videos or you're seeing little to no growth, and just you have to remind yourself of your goals that you set, the things you want to do, the places you want to go. This is the kind of thing that keeps you moving, so just always be focused on your goals for the future. And the last thing I can say is just stay optimistic and have fun. Do what you love. You know, if you got into this because you like making videos or you like doing a certain thing and you want to show people, just stick to it. People will start to recognize the work that you're putting in. Okay, so now we're gonna get into analytics really quick. I'm not gonna go super deep into it, but I want you guys to see and get a better understanding of what it's like to be a year on YouTube, to get 1,000 subscribers, to get monetized. Now what are your numbers looking like? Because I just monetized like yesterday or the day before. I have made $0 on YouTube from AdSense, but that all changes today, hopefully. Okay, so pulling up the analytics here, you see that I have 1,011 subscribers. I cannot thank you guys enough for watching my videos, sticking with me for this long. And if you're new here, I just appreciate you finding my channel. Somehow you did it, and I'm glad for that. If we go into the dashboard here, you can see that you have published videos, latest comments, recent subscribers, top videos. Then you have your last video's performance. Views start to build, but it's not like every video you make is gonna go viral, right? And that's just how YouTube goes. In the analytics tab, we're gonna go ahead and pull up lifetime, so you can see when I posted my first 2 videos was November or October, I guess, of 2019. And I got like 2 views. I strictly did that just to learn how to post videos. 11 months ago is when I posted my first batch of videos. I posted 5 on the same day, had no idea what I was doing. I got like 50 views to this day on each of those videos. Nobody watched them. I started my website for my artwork at the same time as I started YouTube, so I was hoping to sell some shirts off that. If we go in here to 365, this is where you really see my year on YouTube, right? When I started my first videos is almost 12 months away, and since then I have begun to grow. It took me 19 videos to get 50 subscribers. And when I started making videos about dogs, that's when it started to take off. In August 2020, I posted the first video about dogs, and then boom, it slowly starts taking off, and next thing you know, it's exponential. So now I've reached a point where I'm getting hundreds of views a day, and I'm excited about it. So I'm pumping out videos about dogs and traveling and other animals because I'm thinking that's what people want to see. This 5 reasons you should get a Cavalier, 5 reasons you should not get a Cavalier, those took off, and I had a huge jump. So I went from 100 views in a day to 480. And so that was like, whoa, I did something right. Because I don't want to be just the dog guy, so I want to post content that has other interests in mind. So the Dark Truth video, the Cavalier, that's been like my biggest video so far. Not in terms of views yet, but it was posted like a month ago, and it's got almost 6,000 views. So that's really fueling a lot of the fire right now. And if you make things about controversy, that seems to be like a big ticket. I don't know. I'm not a controversial type of person, but I made the video and it was kind of edgy on the thumbnail and the title, and really I just made it in jest. It was just for fun. So I think people have enjoyed it. I have had some negative comments, but I've really had an overwhelmingly positive support for it because it's been very funny and people are very relatable, right? So that breaks down my timeline there. You can see that in 365 I have 85,000 views, 4.7 thousand hours watched, 1,000 subscribers. So you can see this is the best video I have. You see that graph there of how it's been growing. Just 762 hours on one video, and that was just I had no idea. I just made it. I didn't know what I was doing. The video is not very good, but you know, the videos that you least expect to go big are gonna do it. So now it's just an ongoing effort to make videos that are casually, I don't know, successful, right? If we go to reach here, you can see that there's 781,000 impressions, 7% click-through rate, which I think is pretty high. Between 5 and 8 is good. 85,000 views. That wraps up my YouTube analytics. I know I've rambled on a lot. Maybe you learned something. I just wanted to show you some of the numbers behind a channel as big as mine, right? It's tiny channel, but it's cool. I've grown from absolutely nothing. So to think I had 19 videos out before I had 50 subscribers, and now from 19 to 50, I've got 1,000. So just stick with it, hang in there. It does snowball and it gets easier, it gets funner. That's it. That's all I want to talk about, guys. I hope this was informative. I hope it wasn't too long and that you were able to stick with me. I'm going to try and edit it down as short as I can. I wish you the best of luck with starting your channel, or I thank you so much for following me from the beginning to here. It's been an awesome journey. I'd ask that you guys reach out to me on other social medias. I do TikTok, Instagram. That name is trick_stars for both of those. And also subscribe to my YouTube channel if you like this kind of stuff, if you want to see more of my content. I will be doing more like business related stuff, more YouTube related stuff. I might get into reviews. I'm just kind of keep doing what I love to do and not be dictated by any kind of niche that I have made for myself, which is dogs. But I'm gonna keep doing what I love to do. I hope you guys enjoy my personality and that sort of thing. Go check out trickstars.com, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.